Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to disable lock screen notifications on Telegram so your messages stay private and don't pop up where anyone can see them. If you've ever had a message preview show up on your lock screen at the wrong time, you already know why this setting matters. The good news is it only takes a few simple steps to turn it off. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where all your device-level controls live, including notification settings for individual apps. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be called Apps and Notifications. But the idea is the same. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find and tap on Telegram. This opens the app-specific settings where you can control permissions and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This section gives you full control over how Telegram alerts appear on your device. Here's the key step. Look for the lock screen option and tap on it. You'll see different choices for how notifications behave when your phone is locked. To fully disable them, select Not Allowed. This ensures that Telegram notifications won't show up at all on your lock screen. No previews, no alerts, nothing visible to others. And that's it. From now on, your Telegram messages will stay private until you unlock your phone. This is especially useful if you care about privacy, share your space with others, or just want a cleaner lock screen without constant interruptions. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other apps too, since many of them use similar notification settings. Taking a few minutes to customize these can really improve both your privacy and your overall phone experience.